there! Today we're going to be having a quick review, very quick review, of the Fatshark HDOs. But before I start, I just want to say sorry I've not been able to do any content the last couple of weeks. It has been absolutely mad at home. I'm in the midst of a really big project at work that might take my very living soul. So I haven't had a lot of content coming out, but I've got a lot of things currently being developed. So I've got a frame that I'm going to put some videos out about, and I've got some other bits and pieces I'm working on. So there will be more content coming. But anyway, let's talk about the HDOs. So one of my friends, Adam, has bought a set of HDOs, and he brought them down to where we fly locally. So I tried them on, and let's have a look at what happened. Right, before we start, let's quickly talk about what HDOs actually are. So HDOs are the latest and greatest of Fatshark's line, and they are, instead of being LCD screens, so LCD screens have a light behind them. So effectively you have a set of pixels, and then behind them there is a light. OLED screens are actually lit pixels, so therefore the pixel themselves makes the light. So whenever they're off, they produce much more vibrant blacks. Whereas the LCDs will always have a little bit of light because of the way the lights are behind them. So it should give you a better picture. Other than that, they are pretty much the same as the normal DOMs and the HDs and various other bits and pieces. Okay, so I find the faceplate on this really comfortable.
Yeah.
But I am getting quite a lot of light leakage. Now it might be just because I need to adjust it. In fact, I've adjusted the IPDs and they're a little bit out for me now.
Do you want a giggle? I found something in our warehouse.
So it's really nice and clear.
It's crystal clear. No? Definitely found that. Looks like a normal laptop, yeah?
I mean, you can really see these posts when you're trying to
go for them. Normal laptop. When I first built my 2.5 inch.
Oh, I tell you what, I haven't got the adjustment right, and now it's absolutely perfect on my face. That is so clear. No, I'd moved it down and it was slightly out of focus, and now it's smack bang where it should be.
Right.
Yeah, I think I'd change the foam to some of the other foam.
What, the fabric?
Yeah, use the I'd go for some of the newbie drone foam. That really makes it. I find that's really good. But yeah, I mean, they're really impressive.
I've got to say, that's the first time I used a proper set of Fatshark.
So apologies, I lost the footage that I recorded where I was explaining what my thoughts were on the HDOs. I'm now currently on the road in a hotel somewhere, so apologies. This has been delayed. But let's talk about the HDOs. So you will not get anything more clear. They are. I mean, I've had high definition box goggles, and they are much clearer than those. They are, clarity wise, they are incredible, and the quality of the build is excellent. The point that I've been struggling with on this is thinking about it is I put my Skyzones on immediately afterwards and was flying, and I just felt happier that I had a 16:9 screen, and that wasn't as big. Totally wasn't as big, and the definition wasn't as good, but the feed that I was putting into it was okay. It all worked. It all did the things I expected to do. So I really like my Skyzones. Now, if you place me in a scenario and someone gave me a set of HDOs, I would say they're really good and definitely would use them. Would I spend £400, £500 with the receiver? Would I do that? No, I wouldn't. I couldn't justify it just because the cost is just way too high for what it is. I mean, I really like the product, but I can't bring myself to spend that much money on a set of goggles. The other thing, for me, there's a lot of everyone. There's no power button, and the DVR's crap, and these aren't really big things. These are little things that aren't important. For me, the bit that would need to be, for me, make it work is I want the big screen, but I want the definition, but I want it in widescreen. Some people don't like widescreen, perfectly okay. But for me, it has to be a widescreen screen, because for me, that's what I like. So I would probably say if you could do 16:9 screen, that level of definition, that would be where I'd want to be. So overall, if you're buying new goggles, certainly go check them out. I would also still say that Skyzone's on ways, they're very good for the price you're going to pay for them. They're not as good, but they are very good. So hopefully you've enjoyed that video. Please like, share and subscribe. There is more content coming when I'm not in a hotel, and I will see you all next time.